All right, everybody. This video is going to be on changing a rear windshield wiper blade for a 2010 Chevy Equinox. As you can see, I'm using Bosch Spectrum Direct Fit, the C1301. The link to that is listed in the description. You can buy them on Amazon, and it's really actually simple. A lot of people have problems with this because they don't know how to. They open it up, they don't know what to do, and this thing won't come off. They're just kind of curious about it, and all you really do is just lift it up to about as far as it'll go. Grab that windshield wiper blade that's inside there, put your thumb under it, and push towards the windshield, and it comes right out. That's the old one. You just discard that. Go ahead and get your new one out. They all come with this little plastic guard or some type of little guard on them. You always want to remove that. And on this particular model here, you take this little clip out, right? And you don't really need that. You want this hole to be facing towards the driver's side of the car. And then there's a little space in there that has a bar on it, and it snaps just like that back on there, and it's done. All right, well, that's changing a blade on a 2010 Chevy Equinox on the rear windshield. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date whenever we make a new video. And don't forget to look in the description for more part numbers and stuff like that you can find on Amazon. Thanks. Have a nice day.